learning partner. Last video we learned about type conversion. In this video we learned how to take input from user in Python, an essential skill for interactive program. When you run a program, something you want the user to type something like their name, age, or number. In Python, we use input function for this. Let's take a simple example. Name is equal to input, enter your name, print hello, comma. Now write just name, execute. Here Python display the message enter your name and waits for user type something. Whatever the user enter gets stored in variable name, and then the print statement name hello AddKey. Important point: the input function always return a string, so even if the user types number, it is stored as a text like variable is equal to input, enter your age. Here enter your age 25. Now if you check print age, type age 25 and class is string. To perform calculation, you need to convert it into a number using init or float. Last video we has been learned about changing the types of variable. So now is we change, so is init, then input, enter your age, now you can check print age, type age integer. You can also write a program like print next year you will be age plus 1. Next year you will be 26. And how you take input from the user in Python. You can use this to make your program interactive and dynamic. If you enjoy the AddKey series of Python, hit like, subscribe and watch the